guys, welcome to Bright Future. I'm Swaminathan. I'm going to tell about why we have to study, what does it matters in our life, and what is meant by study. So let's get started without wasting time. This is Swaminathan. So first, what is study? Why we are studying? Why we are educating? First, I will tell that study is a simple topic. For us, we are studying. Make up mindset as for us, we are studying, we should study. Take a path, okay? For us, we are studying. Take that mindset, okay? So next point, what I will suggest is, make study timetable, okay? I am understanding you are feeling that you cannot study, your interest is not going on studies, but we cannot leave as well. So for that we have to make interest on study. How we can make interest on study? We can make interest on study. It is not simple, but it is not hard. We can make interest that what we are learning. See, at the standard till 7th or 8th, till 7th, we are learning simple only, we are getting simple only. But from 8th, it is different. We are getting new things. We are getting learn to new things. From that standard, we can develop ourselves. We can develop ourselves. To extent, we can make a topper also. So, please, if you are 8th or 9th, please understand this feeling. From 8th and 9th, different chapters are there, different matters are there. So you can feel, imagine that geography teacher is teaching geography. So imagine that. You should imagine everything, you should imagine. In maths also you should imagine. Okay, nothing will come so simple. First you have to make interest. Okay, don't listen to anyone. That is the best thing. Your father also will tell. You also study, like getting marks only, and sometimes you will copy, like children's we are. Never do like a Santa Jnaneshwar. Okay, you understand. But we have to learn for us only, not for others. No one will get you a happiness at that time when we are sad. You understand? So for us we are studying. You study for us only. For you only you are studying. Understand? For you only you are studying. And for why we have to study for others? And also I also come from I will tell a small part of story. From 7th I studied properly I copied, but from 8th some mature mind came to me, like Santa Jnaneshwar. From that I wake up my mind, I make more interest on maths. Maths is a tough exam. Those who will tell, those who cannot solve, those who cannot understand, those who not listen. But I am telling it is easy. Be like it your friend. This word 100 YouTubers tell you, but you have not followed that. So only you are watching my video also. But this should be your last video. You should be grown up. Okay? And this, your mindset is a main thing. What you are doing, consistent do a consistent proper work. Okay, I learned at maths. Many doubt I asked my maths ma'am, every ma'am I asked. Sometimes I was ashamed from my class, but I did not give up. That ashame only came to like this to teach you. Today I am making a YouTube channel. I am getting many monies from sponsorships. Many things is there. Today my parents are very proud of me. because I learned for me only. So only they are proud. If I learned for my parents and copied myself, if I get good marks, that is also not happy. But if I studied hard, studied well, at the exam I got topper, that the top class you showed at your parents. Every time they will tell that study, study, study. But your brain should come to a mindset as, no, you have to study now. No one should tell you. No one should tell you, because you are mature children. Behave as a mature children. I am not telling like a teacher. I am telling like a student. From 1st to 7th, I was ashamed by everyone, even my also parents also. Like, what you are doing? Nothing study, nothing on study, zero. Me. Every friends ashamed me, but I did not give up. Now at that time my mindset was another thing. But from 8th, I started from my heart to study. At that time, at that 1 second, from this 1 second which I am making video, till that also I am studying. From my heart, I will study, will get top. Like this I am studying. You have to study for your... And this is a study. What is study? This is the definition. And another point. Why is study important? See children, you have to follow your passion. I am not telling you to not follow your passion. You should not follow your passion. I tell that you follow your passion, but educate till at the 12th also. That will help you at the passion also. See, passion needs to be studied, because if you study, your brain gets educated, and at that wise you can develop your passion extent. That is the main point which no YouTuber tells you, like educational YouTubers. But I am telling you that please study for yourself. For you are studying. No one will come you to come. No one will come you to gain the happiness. No one will sit you behind when you are bigger. And I saw children's. I am telling you this another time, no one will come. At sorrow time, no one will come. No, our friends, families, no one will come. Only we have to follow. No one will open the gate of the stadium. We have to open, we have to go. Like that you have to set up your mind. So first set up. Second is importance of study. See, in these days, no humanity is there. No humanity, 0% humanity. No one believes you, or everyone will try to cheat you if you are uneducated. This is 100%. Your parents also educate you because you should not be cheated by anyone. You should grow more than that. You should not be cheated. You should have humanity. Like that, your parents like it. So be like. So I will tell most of these children, join the hands and tell you, please, if you are watching this video, then please get back now only to study. We will get timetable, more videos of timetables and how to study. Okay, please watch them and study it. You should study well. You should represent your mother, father as a proud feeling. Do like that. But I am not telling that do not follow the passion. Parents will tell cricket should be, if your passion is to do cricket, to play cricket, then parents will tell no, but you have to make efforts for that. You have to first study and believe. No one will believe you. So for parents should take, if you want your parents should tell yes to your passion, and please effort to your study. First effort to your study, educate to 12th, and then make your passion and achieve. Okay children, so all the best. This video can change your life, but if you have some mindset to study, no YouTuber will tell like this, but I am telling because I have suffered that. Every relationships, every parents relationship will tell what you are not studying. See, आपका बेटा खराब हो गया, means they will tell that your son is not studying. What a waste dump it is. He is like they will tell. But you have to study. All the best. Till then, next video part 2 will come. Till then, goodbye.